Hi boys and girls, welcome back. Today's Thursday. If you're watching today, it's March 19th. Maybe you're watching on another day and that's awesome. You might notice that it looks different behind me, and that's because I went down to the beach to be with Mr. Joseph. So it's really cool. You're getting a video all the way down from the beach. Now Cooper is playing out here with me and he's being a little silly. Just say hi, Cooper. Say hello. So you might hear him playing in the background. Now today we're going to do some of the other things that we do in our morning meeting. So today we're going to do like what we do with the alphabet. So I have some cards, and now they're not exactly like what we have in our classroom, but they're still great for us to practice our letters, our sounds, and some of the words that have those sounds. So just like we do in class, let's say the letter, we'll say a sound, and then we'll say the word. And now it's going to be a little bit tricky for our brains to remember some of the words. Let's do it, but we can do hard things, so let's try it. So A, 8, ah, good. B, balloon or bird, b. Now remember, don't say that so b, not b, All right. C, car, k. Now remember, not k. All right. D, dog or doll, d. E, egg, e. F, fish or fox, f. G, goat or goose, g. H, horse. Now remember, this one we can do the sound, not huh. Cooper says hi. I, Cooper, no sir. I makes a I sound like pig or fish. J, like jack-o'-lantern, j. K, kite, k. Cooper's trying to escape. He just wants to play. L, lion, ol. M, monkey, N, nest, N. O, like toad or coat, O. There's a lot of O sounds, aren't there? P, puppy, p. Be careful with that p sound again. Q, queen, qu. Q usually goes with the U, doesn't it? R, rooster, S, saw, s. T, turtle, t. U, umbrella, V, it's like a vine or a vase, v. W, web, w. Cooper. X, x, like fox or x-ray. Y, yarn or yo-yo, y. Last but not least, Z, zebra, z. Friends, great job. You did awesome with those. Now let's always practice, because remember, we can always get better and remember those sounds and the letters. I love you. Be awesome today.